So we got a lot going on. It's a weather alert day here in the Coin 6 Weather Center. We're talking about a flood watch. Yeah, the flood watch has been up now for about the past couple of days. National Weather Service issued it out of Portland for all of Western Oregon. We'll get to that here in a second. Small stream and urban flooding possible. A lot of rain on the way, anywhere from 3 inches in the valley to 7 inches along the coast, and even more than that up in the Coast Range and the Cascades. That starts today, later today, and really kicks up into high gear overnight tonight through Wednesday. Look at that seaside right now, live outside. The rain has begun there. 51 degrees, light rain there, but we're cloudy in the valley here in Portland. 52 right now, most cloudy skies, humidity 97%. Wind southeast 3 miles per hour, but notice on that morning planner, yeah, the rain is going to start to pick up. A lot of clouds in the valley right now, some light rain up in the Cascades, and then you really see the scattered showers beginning to pick up along the coast. As we widen out the satellite and radar, boy, there is a long fetch of moisture. That is an atmospheric river. This is going to be one of the more potent ones we've had, probably the strongest this year, I should say, at least this fall season. It's pointed up in the northern Washington coast right now, but it's going to slowly sag down over the Portland metro area in Western Oregon coming up later this evening. Rainfall since midnight, just a few 100s of an inch down there at Newport, but boy, those numbers are really going to pick up. All right, lots of weather alerts to talk about here. Flood watch, all of Western Oregon and southwestern Washington. Matter of fact, that goes all the way up to Seattle as well. Rain increasing today and tonight. Again, 3 to 7 inches between the coast and the valley. 8+ inches up in the mountains, especially the Coast Range as well. All right, we have a coastal flood advisory from this afternoon, 2 p.m. through 6 p.m. tonight. This is just for tidal overflow, about a foot above average in the area shaded there in green. So if you're on the coast, just be careful and never turn your back, of course, to the ocean. Flood warnings, these are going to take effect later on today. The Grays River in southwest Washington, Wahkiakum County. Let's see, that's Monday afternoon today. And then the Wilson River near Tillamook tonight. And Johnson Creek there in southeast Portland by tomorrow morning. Flood warnings for those. Wind alerts, yep, we got a wind advisory for everything in the light brown and orange shaded areas there. Wind gusts in the valley later this morning and tonight between 15 and 30 miles per hour with gusts 35 to 45. Again, that's from 7 a.m. today until 4 a.m. tomorrow for the western half of the valley there. Wind gust forecast, we pull this forward. You see they pick up. Here's 12 noon on your Monday, 25, 35 mile per hour gusts here, and then out along the coast, perhaps 40 miles per hour. They continue tonight, 8 o'clock. They back off a little bit overnight, but then they pick back up again as we get into Tuesday evening again, gusting 30, 35 miles per hour. Future cast, there's the rain, 10 a.m. It's on the coast. It's into the valley. It continues this afternoon. It may lift briefly north by around sunset tonight, but then it backs right back down over us tonight. Here's 10:30 on Monday. It continues all night long tonight into tomorrow, into Tuesday, into Wednesday as well. As we widen it out, we end this loop on Thursday. Finally, the system breaks apart and the rain event comes to an end. 7-day forecast, weather alert days today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Rainy and windy. Notice those temperatures up around 60. And James, we don't back off the showers till we get to Thursday morning. We'll start to dry it out a little bit on Friday.